Hello everyone. So we have to describe the murmur by intensity, pitch, timing, variation with the respiration or posture. Area of maximum intensity of the murmur is very important because we can make the differential diagnosis. Then conduction of the murmur to the other area. Now we have to grade the diastolic murmur according to the intensity. So very soft murmur, grade 1, soft 2, loud 3, loud with thrill, grade 4. Now according to timing, type of diastolic murmur, early diastolic murmur in aortic regurgitation and pulmonary regurgitation. Here in this image you can see this is early diastolic murmur of AR. Mid-diastolic murmur seen in the mitral stenosis and tricuspid stenosis. Here you can see this is mid-diastolic murmur of MS. Functional murmur, Graham-Steele, Kericombe murmur, Austin-Flint murmur as seen in the aortic. So can be there. So this is the early diastolic murmur due to AR and PR.